Assalamu alaikum, friends. I hope you are all well. Yes, today we received a task from the school principal to decorate the playgroup. First of all, after searching on Google, etc., after coming up with a new idea, we made a tree trunk out of brown-colored glossy paper and stuck it on the wall with the help of glue. Then, they made animals from different colors and stuck them on the wall, and made grass from green hot glue to create a look that resembled the color palette on the computer, which was used to make round-shaped circles. We wrote all the alphabets from A to Z on the round shape we had made and filled it with black paint, and then mounted it on a very large table and glued it with the help of glue. So tell me how it looks. I look forward to your comments, and I'm curious to know how you like my decoration. I request you to please share, like, and comment. Thank you all very much for supporting me so much. Thank you again.